So what about this skill that we've just learned? How would the skill we've learned, how would it look in an exam? Well, it would look like that. So I was going to introduce you to exam questions early on. So non-calculator questions. So in this exam, it's going to be worth 2, possibly 3 marks. It's not a massive scorer. But let's look at it. And again, it's what you've just said. It's all mixed up with words. The table shows the change in number of employees in different departments of a company compared to last year. So these are your departments in a company, and these are the changes. In other words, members of staff that have gone, took on, etc. What is the total change in the number of employees compared with last year? -1, 0, +2, +2, -1, -3. Any ideas? Any ideas? It's a tricky one, isn't it? I'll tell you what, let's make a sum. Let's make a sum. -1. No change, just going to ignore it, it's a 0. +2. +2. -1. -3. Using your number line, solve that sum. You got it?
I think so.
Don't shout out, let's just wait and see what everybody else comes up with. Got an answer here, I think. Got an answer there?
Yeah.
Elizabeth, got an answer? Okay, backwards and forwards, you should have a nice answer. I'm going to put my answer on what I think it is. I've been known to be wrong in these classes. I've come -1. Has anybody else got the same answer?
No.
No. So let's think of our number line. Put your pen on -1. Don't move it because there's no change in design. Now add 2. Now add another 2. We should be now at the number 3. Now take 1 away from that. And now take 3 away from that. Are you at -1?
Mm-hmm.
Basically, it's just a sum. But it's hidden in all that writing. It's hidden in that table. But it's basically just a sum. You going to say something?
Yeah, but I don't know if it makes sense.
Say it.
So you know when you've got like loads of like negative and positive numbers like that?
Yeah.
Could you add like your positive numbers and then like your negative, so you'd have like -5 plus 4?
Exactly. You could do that as well. That was the second way of working this out. Well spotted. Yeah. Look at your negatives, 1, 1 and 3, add up to 5, -5, and your 2 positive numbers add up to 4, -5 plus 4 is -1, yeah? Or 4 -5 is -1. So yeah, you can do it that way as well. Well spotted. But obviously the easiest way is just write that as a sum. You've just done all that. Just done it. Yeah, alright, originally you were just doing that. When you were cracking the code, you were just using 2 numbers. This made it a little bit different because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Yeah? But it's just a sum. It's just a sum. Yeah? Well done. Easy peasy. Let's have another exam style question. Now for this one, I'm not sure which one it is, so I'll tell you which one it is in a second. It's going to look even harder. It's that. Which is there. Okay, so it's the next to the back page in your workbook. What I'm giving you, this is going to be your little workbook, the first one. So let's have a look at it. We'll do it. I'll give you a few to start with and then you can carry on. So we'll start with this one here, okay, which is on the top line. So let's just explain the question to you. Because again, what does it mean? Dice A, dice B, look at the numbers. So Dan's got 2 dice, okay? On his dice A, he's got these numbers, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 6. They're the numbers, 6 sides on a dice, 6 numbers. On the other dice that he's got, which is dice B, which are these down here, then he's got the numbers minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4, minus 5 and 6. We can see that from the table. And he's going to throw the total scores from throwing the 2 dice. How do you work this out? Well, let me show you. And again, I want you to just make some sums. So let's imagine he throws the first dice. We're going to do this box here. So he throws dice A and he gets a 5. There's the plus sign. He's got a minus 1 because there it is. There's the sum. He's got a 5 for the first throw. He's got a minus 1 from dice B. 5 minus 1 gives us
4.
Let's see if we're right. 4. Let's do this one. No, I'll have to do this one because of the way it comes up on the answer. He throws a minus 2 on the first dice. He throws a 2 on the second dice. What should go in that box there then?
0.
Let's see if we're right. 0. I'll do this last one for you and then you can do the rest. So in this first dice he scores a minus 6. On the second dice he scores a 2. What was in that end box?
Minus 4.
I think we're getting this. Minus 4. Perfect. Let's see if you can complete that table. Let's see if you can complete the table. Brilliant. You're doing fantastic.